can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late, cause I'm taking my time. I can be driven, ambitious, your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder, always forgetting, needing reminders. But I'll always be there when you need me. Cause
Hello! So while Rosal makes her, edit her stuff, I'll also unbox this. Yung big activities, just like what we always do. Ha! No, wala na siya. SD card. I will learn this. Wala pa, pwede mo pulihan. Ano, lagyan doon. Lagi. Para ito rabi siya magtag-380. Sa Gmail ako napag-
Pwede bagay siya sa ano bo.
Gani mo na akong
Pero
dapat.
pero gwapo mo na sticker, di ba kung makasira po.
I don't like long nails. So, ako, problema is, ang saan ako pag-ilo. Pero, cute nails.
Oh, so cute. Ang galing. Paano kung may kulangot ako?
Cebu Pacific is certified under the IATA Operational Safety Audit, or IOSA, the highest standards for safety in the global airline industry.
Murag snap.
Kasi na may mong camera, mahal ba yan to?
Ang ganda-ganda ng mga kasama ko, guys. At ang gagawin namin buong gabi ay uubusin to. Actually, yung to brunch mo din. Oh, meron pala siyang unboxing. Unboxing. Room tour. Wow. The first corner, to the left corner.
May nalang nag-ilis siya.
Ano man ang?
Kita rin naka-atar.
Kami sa very unique and ngayon lang namin na-discover na place.
Dito lang talaga siya matatagpuan sa Coron.
Jollibee. Maghanap kami ng coffee. Ay. Yan ang nakasiklib.
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember days on the back of the school bus, making up us, wanted to grow up, but now I'm missing the old days. They were so simple now. They're all memories. Honestly, I can't believe 2000 babies aren't the babies anymore. I'm getting older, but who's really keeping score? It's all a numbers game, 'cause I still feel the same. The only thing that's changed is that I've lived a few extra days. I know that it's just time passing me by. Can't help but wish I could still be childish. 'Cause now life's got me so stressed. Just wanna play on my DS.
So yun kasi kung alam lang namin na nag-book pa rin ng tour kami.
Ay, sige po, picture na tayo.
I'm still learning
Anong meaning
how to live as an adult person. Little me, but an older version.
Hello po, sir.
Dealing with a few extra burdens, 'cause nothing's certain. And 2000 babies aren't the babies anymore. I'm getting older, but who's really keeping score? It's all a numbers game, 'cause I still feel the same. The only thing that's changed is I've lived a few extra days. I know that it's just time passing me by. Can't help but wish I could still be childish. 'Cause now life's got me so stressed. Just wanna play on my DS. No way of knowing what comes next. Just wanna be childish. Just wanna be. Just wanna be childish.
Very delikado.
My tutoy. Because my tutoy is giving up.
You give me some na lang.
Yeah, if only I can, I will give it all. I'll give my charing mama. But can I give my to you also my
I don't want your bilbil. Yeah. Don't give me your bilbil. I need to shop. Hands up, Gabriela.
Hands up, Gabriela.
Tapos na.
Okay. Bakit parang may ganito? Kasi parang nga. Yawa man yun. Kaya pa. Pa. Puyo.
Sobrang daming boobs. How deep is your love?
How deep is your tutor?
Ma-flash mo. Ma-flash mo sila.
Oo.
Back. Bye!
Kaya pa ba isang
Isang ikot. Thank you, sir.
thank you, sir?
Pak lang. Talo pa rin kami ngayon. Ang winner ay siya pa rin. Team Green. Very green. Hi, na team from Team Green. Team Green. Bother. Tatlo po. 3 po. Wala po.
Kailangan niya reservation po.
Wala pa.
Ang OPD, ma'am, si Doc William Masada. Ara na siya. Sige. What's the word today?
Dali. Ready ka na, Kams?
Ha?
Ready na ka?
Yes. Ready na mo sa ako, ah?
Dili. Iya, tagluwang.
Nothing has been the same yet since you arrived. Coming into my orbit, be my satellite. But how do I pull you closer when you're in outer space? Want you to crash into me. Just want your love, your love, your love. 'Cause I'm so in love, in love, in love.
Dapat. I just like the
Looking outside my window, seeing you in the sky. Wanna give you a
Hello. Mag-dive si Kams. Training. Ay, feel ko hindi man masyado malalim. Wait, magbaba ako. Ay, hindi ko pala maabot ang floor. Oo.
Don't look at me like that. It's taking all that I had to hold myself back from you. Am I just too attached? Because it kills me inside to watch it all burn in my head. And I'll never find better. How could I ever go? Yeah, yeah. And if I never find better, how will I ever know?
I love it. So, update lang. Missing na ako ng isa.
Update lang, hindi na ako lipong.
Yay! Yes, guys. Na-unvertigo na siya.
Unvertigoed me.
Unvertigoed.
Hello. Nandito kami sa Twin Lagoon. Hindi na ako lipong. Ang picture si Kams. Ay, init kayo.
Ako na lang kasi ako.
po yung harap,
Okay.
Princess, ito
Hi!
Kami dalawa ano.
Kinsay sa tunga.
Kami ang magbugway.
Tunga ka, ma'am?
Kinsa ba yung ang captain?
Captain of
Maligbugsay.
Magbugsay ako. I wanna bugsay.
But you must be in the last part.
What?
At the back.
Why? Because I'm bigger.
I can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late, cause I'm taking my time. I can be driven, ambitious. Your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder. Always forgetting, needing reminders. But I'll always be there when you need me. Cause I know that two things can't be true. Cause I get so confident yet confused. So I'll let go to live in between who I am and who I wanna be. Maybe I'm incomplete and a messed up masterpiece. Know everything and nothing. A childish funny something. With my pros and my cons, my mistakes and my flaws. Don't have a thing. I'm a work of art.
Okay, left.
Out of water splashes over fur coat, and the driver flipped me off like that was my fault. Today may not be my day, but alright. Dollars lost by taking shortcuts while I wonder, will I ever meet the Eiffel Tower? Today may not be my day, but alright. Every day, same old thing, yeah, go ahead. Roll up sleeves, don't hesitate. Take a stand, cause got a feeling I'ma get it right this time. 10 year goes another shot, and as usual, right here, all I got. Almost there, but I would've touched me in, but like we're like friends forever.
So we're going some souvenir pasalubong shopping. Para hindi kami Hi, we're back! Uy, dapat mapalit na kayo. Naka-remember sila sa ato. Sa mukha lang. Cute!
Bagay sa'yo. Cleavage.
Cleavage. Pero,
What is your outfit? What is your inspo?
Pangit ako yung ano dire. Gani ko ko. Siya man ng magpa-post ako anak ko. Na gusto kong panoorin ang mga video mo ka. Correct. It's true. Dapat nag-attract ka ng mga viewers mo. Parang naman nasa akong 15 subscribers. Sino ba siya pangutan na? Ay, sir. Ay, mom. My dad. Ikaw pala pinagtulong niya. Siguro yung legit ka na. Legit yun mo. Sige, mag-tell stories. Sige, mag-vlog.
You got me, and I am so grateful for it. You're the one I held in. I just cannot ignore it. The minute you unblock me, I notice. I want you by me. I still
longer. No? Bigla-enjoy akong feeling. Wala siya nakahappy. Ang outfit Coachella, pero ang bit-bit. Ang plus.
Kapag na nagsugod, ipangkabuhi na.
Yes, the symptoms. Naog na may. Mana kay Rami kay di na kaya sa among kalawasan. Sayang naman niyang Coachella outfit. Baktas daw kag.
Pwede ko pasabot sa iya.
Hands up Gabriela sa daw. He's giving black squid.
Ursula ba?
Ito ba yung dugong watching? 5,000. Mura na kagbayan patroller.
Hindi mo nag-asset ba sa NBI?
By bus.
Yan ka na kung camera mo.
Apoy kong English. Dandahan ang tentacles mo. Ito po yung...
Tulong na lang yung kasama.
Nawawalan yung pusit, sir.
Your hair looks longer than last June. There's so much I've been dying to know about you. But we've been distant. Is it too soon to call pretending it's to ask you what's new? And I hope we haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad. I know that it's easier said than done. It feels like it's hopeless. Begging, please hold on. Maybe we can toss and turn. It's 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply. So fine, say or get something.
Sorry po.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know I never meant to. We haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me.
For some.
So don't be so mad. I know that it's easier said than done. It feels like it's hopeless. Begging, please hold on.
The octopus. Rar, rar.
It's 'cause I'm scared one day you won't resolve. Keep on trying not let you
Grabe, Diyos. Kuya.
try. 'Cause I don't wanna have to.
Bulungan mo daw, bro.
So don't be so mad. I know that it's easier said than done. And it feels like it's hopeless.
Sana masarap ang food.
Ay, sorry. Wala pang hinihintay na dig. Butter, uy.
Pati po sa alam ko mag-config ako. Paano maligyan yung alam mo, nagituduan ko siya. Gituduan ko siya. Focus right, left. Tapos, focus camera and located bush.
No. Oh. Oh. Okay lang. Wala na. Excited na ka makabalo. Ay, naglihok. I-reveal na na po. Nanaman mo likod.
Ano na ni mo?
Ako siya yan, parang budikit siya.
Magawas na po ang ano.
Ang tuto.
Pandesal.
Ang kuchinta. Baby, that kuchinta.
Sige. Okay.
Mamalit og andog.
Okay. Outfit. Lako dapat niya. Oh, ikaw. Ay. Grabe siya. Breastfeeding mother. Uy, tanaw ka ni kuya.
Abi siguro yan, nag-flash ko kayo magtutoy.
Ano, Alex Kasani daw.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right. But it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do?
Tasting? Pagkat.
'Cause I've got an internet crush.
Okay. So, first taste. Ano to? The green grapes plus
She's
Yakult.
taken. Still can't help falling in love.
Wow!
Can't take the hint and give up.
Tunga ka. Hindi naman nakasabay sa memo.
Alata na kay ko.
Ay. Guwapa ka ito. Iba parang. There's a mirror up above. So as you can see, we are putting some of our first base. Naka-first base man sa koron. Wala. Okay. This is the easiest part. Ready ka na ba? Ano kaya mag-drawing natin? My killer is giving up, but we are not giving up. Uy, grabe naman, napudpud naman. Uy, taas na kayo siya, uy. Kaya lang, lusot siya.
Nothing has been the same, yeah, ever since you arrived. Coming into want you to crash into me. Just want your love, your love, your love. 'Cause I'm so in love, in love, in love. Ooh, baby, what's the point in being alone? I wish you were my satellite, satellite. Ooh, baby, said you like me too, but you won't. That body's killer. Satellite, satellite. Looking outside my window, seeing you in the sky. Wanna give you a diamond, yeah, I wanna make you mine. Sending a sign from up above. 'Cause I'm so in love, in love, in love.
Thank you, ma'am. Sinong winner?
Hoy, hindi.
Pati, show me your, purchase. Thank you, ma'am. Okay na po.
Sorry, sir.
Muli na, miss. Money.
Give ko, diba? Dito ko nang lagay. Kaya burag okay naman, diba?
Dumami ang bag mo.
Na may isa kong ganito, may ganito. Diba halata?
Oo. Ay, hindi ko sure.
Halata. Tago ko na lang. Okay, Albano.
Baw sa baw. Uy, mong bag.
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember days on the back of the school bus, making up us, wanted to grow up, but now I'm missing the old days. They were so simple. Now there are memories. Honestly, I can't believe 2,000 babies, the babies anymore. I'm getting older, but who's really keeping score? It's all a numbers game, 'cause I still feel the same. The only thing that's changed is that I've lived a few extra days. I know that it's just
Okay, try mo.
time passing me by.
Akin mo na na spoon.
Can't help but wish I could still be child.